Hey Andrew, this is Sam following your email. I'm not sure if this is how you are going in there. So I'm in contents, then I go to my math student links. And if I follow it down, right here is Pearson eText. Once I open the eText, come on. There we go. So once I'm able to open the eText, I usually prefer clicking this icon to make it full screen. I don't know, like it's up to you, but this is how I prefer to read anything on through the Brightspace. And I do a lot of reading, like most of my courses are on Brightspace too, so we all have to do it at some point. So this is where the book is starting, right? So if you go into the menu section or the content section, let's see, there is chapter A, which we covered very early. Then there was this prerequisite. Why did I click it? I have no idea. So there is prerequisite. We finished these ones. Now you are on P. Right here is P5. So how we do it is you try to start with P5. Okay, so P5 is about polynomials. Once we start working on our polynomials and you try to get grip on it, the sequence is go straight to unit 3 and come here on dividing polynomials, remainder and factor theorem. Okay, we are skipping quadratic functions. We are skipping anything related to the functions. We are not talking about functions. We will just learn how to divide polynomials from this 3.3. Hence, first you do P5, then you move to 3.3 here, followed by you go to P7, which is rational expression, and P6, which is factoring polynomials, then P7, which is rational expression. So once again, P5 right here, then we move to 3.3, which is dividing the polynomials. So it's right here, dividing the polynomials, and you will see like it is exactly like how we used to do the long division method for numerical terms. In this case, we will do it for polynomial terms. So there is one excellent video by Laurie Mills on this one. So let me know if you have any question around it. But once you just about navigating, if you are able to get to 3.3, then you will go back to chapter P and open P6 and P7, which is factoring polynomials and rational expressions. Hope it solves the navigation issue. So yes, you will, when you scroll down and you open chapter 3, that's where you will see 3.3, which has to be done in the sequence on second number. Let me know if this doesn't solve. I'll be happy to explain more, or just give me a call and we'll talk. Cheers, man.